Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived and I have a fun video for you today, and if you enjoy it, be sure to hit the like button, and oh yeah, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go and jump right in. For today I have a really fun mean green makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be using the Gemini palette and the Smoke Sessions palette, both from Melt Cosmetics. I mean, these colors just complement each other so much, and I have a refresh for my hair at the end as well. Now to prep the face, I'm going to spray with my Mario Badescu facial spray and fan it out. Now to moisturize and prime my face, I'm using my favorite face cream and primer from Skin to See. Off camera, I used a lip scrub from Roses and Rose. Using the Gemini palette, very sloppily, I'm going to place Luna into my crease. Then with Cupcake, I'm going to go into the crease again and then form a really nice V in that outer third. With Mochi, I'm going to blend out Cupcake. And now switching things up to Smoke Sessions. I'm going to dip with a pencil brush into Space Queen and just really deepen and darken up that outer third. And with a clean, fluffy brush, blend out the edges. Now the big dance. I'm going to, with a little bit of Prime and Fix, I'm going to use Sweet Tooth, and I am packing this on all over my lid, but I'm not going all the way to the outer third. So it's about 2/3 of my eye. Once I have the desired color piled on there, I'm now going to pick up Mean Green, another little big showstopper of this look, and I also mixed it with Space Queen. Then just taking a nice, clean, tiny blending brush, blending out those harsh edges. I decided for today's makeup look, I want a nice mid-wing. Using some of my favorite wispy lashes from Ardell and covering the band with some liquid eyeliner. For the under eye, I'm very sloppily going to add Cupcake first. Then just like we did for the top of the eye, we're going to do it on the bottom. So Sweet Tooth on the 2/3 and Mean Green and Space Queen on the outer third, and then blend that line out with Mochi. For the inner corner, this is like the most beautiful mint green. I'm using Blue Dream. Just tapping that in there. Oh, gorgeous. And then a quick coat of mascara for my top and bottom lashes. I wanted to share with you what I'm going to use off camera for my face. The matte Poreless foundation, concealer, and powder, all from the Fit Me line of Maybelline. Then from Benefit, their Hoola bronzer. And then also from Maybelline Fit Me, their Berry blush. And for the brows, these are all Anastasia Beverly Hills products. Their Brow Wiz, then their Brow Powder Duo, and a Tinted Brow Gel, well, unfortunately because I gotta. And I like to use to apply my brow powder, this angled brush, and it also has the spoolie, which is very helpful. For my waterline, I'm using this nice nude shade to really help my eyes pop from NYX. After I add my setting spray, I love adding my highlight. So the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and of course, sexy time, Cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. I am so excited to share 4 lipstick choices. The first option is a beautiful nude shade, so you can just really let those eyes pop. They can do all of the talking. Then a gorgeous red. This is just such a classic beauty look, and still you can have tons of fun. Now if you really want to get into the holiday spirit, oh yeah, be someone's luck charm, you got the green and you got the orange for a great St. Patty's look. Then to kind of glam it out, make it even meaner in green, we're going all green. I absolutely love this one. This is really making that nice statement of fortune, luck, and fun. We are not done with the fun. I got a quick refresh. Now this is if you're, oh my gosh, this is actually 4-day curls for me, and I don't want to take the time to like brush it out, style it, diffuse it, so I'm going to do this quick little hairdo here. So I'm just going to spritz and spray my hair around, then grab my favorite gel at the moment, and I'm going to put this all at the top of my hair, the sides of my hair, and underneath, and pull it back up into a side pineapple. Once I do that and I have it all kind of pulled back, I run my fingers a little bit through it, and then I will grab a hair tie and secure it up. as you can see, I quickly made some curls on the side, but we're not done yet. Grabbing my favorite hairspray and a nice tiny toothed comb, I'm gonna just kind of comb up the edges. Now you could have done this as you were pulling up your hair, but I'm like LAZY and I just do it after, so it's easy and quick. Then my favorite hair and body oil called That's That Magic. I'm going to use that to go around my curls and just get rid of a little bit of the frizz that I have. So it's just kind of smoothing and making those curls look really nice and glossy and silky and poppin'. It is time to let the shenanigans begin. Thank you so much, everybody, for hanging out with me and checking out my fun makeup look and my hair refresh. I do hope that all my makeup lovers and my curl friends, that you come back next Monday and join me for another fun, festive St. Patty's makeup look. Take care. Okay, I like it. Let's see how lucky I feel today. Lucky enough. Yeah.